My loyal knight, my skin feeleth dry lately and I require a special lotion to soothe it. I need you to venture out and find the finest lotion for me.
Welcome to Phytogenics. Here we make creams, serums, lotions, and potions. Let's head to the R&D lab so that we can make our creation together. It all starts with meeting the right partner, working with the right brand, and then developing a formulation in the lab. Well, Sir Knight, we've made it to the lab. Now let's work with Gab on the formula details and aesthetics.
My background is that I'm a chemical engineer, and I studied industrial mixing and fluid mechanics in college. It was so great that Sarah introduced me to you in the lab. Now we're going to go into the manufacturing mezzanine to scale up what we just made in the R&D lab. We finished our journey to the manufacturing mezzanine, and now we're going to pilot the elixir of youth in this kettle right here.
Fun to see the process. It's fun for all the different steps that go into making it and having something actually start from an idea to a finished product.
From the kettle all the way to the production floor, we made it. Now we're going to fill our product, and I'm going to hand you off to our Executive Director of Operations, Juan.
Now that we have the liquid manufacturer, now we can start to fill it. So we're going to make it a reality.
Customers are selling at Ulta, Sephora, QVC, Target, Walmart, as well as direct to consumer. Sir Knight, you've journeyed far and wide. The elixir you seek is behind this door.
Noble knight, you have come to the end of your quest. Here is the elixir of youth. Please present this to your queen.